Set up your device in these quick and simple steps. Set up and test. Your MGMobile comes with a charging cradle. Let's get it powered up and ready to go. First, insert the large end of the charging wall plug into the charging brick. Then plug the charging brick into an electrical outlet that is not controlled by a light switch. Now insert the small end of the wall plug into the charging cradle. A small green light will appear on the charging cradle once it's connected to power. This light will stay on as long as the cradle is plugged in. Place your MGMobile into the cradle. The device will say, "Charging." Leave your device in the charger for at least 4 hours to get a full charge. When removed from the charger, the top LED light will blink green to show that it's fully charged. If the light blinks red, place the device back in the charger until the battery is at 100%. You are now ready to remove your MGMobile from the charger and give it a test. You have 2 ways to test your MGMobile. Option 1. Using the info button. Hold the info button until the device beeps and says, "Release for device testing," or continue to hold for the next option. Press the help button for 3 seconds to begin testing. You'll be prompted to say your name to test the 2-way microphone. When the test call is done, the device will say, "Call completed." Option 2. Using the help button. Press and hold the help button on the device for at least 3 seconds. The device will say, "Initiating help." After a brief pause, a series of beeps will follow. During this time, you can cancel the alarm by pressing and holding the device for 5 seconds. Otherwise, you'll hear "Called in progress," followed by "Call connected." The device will first connect to an automated voice assistant that directs call flow. If a live operator answers, let them know, "This is just a test." And that's it. You're now ready to start using your MGMobile. We look forward to keeping you safe and connected.